Good evening, friends. Good evening, friends. Send me some love, girls, if you are watching me, so that I can see that you are all live and ready to see my projects. So, just check if people are live. I can't see the comments and everything. Okay, can you turn the screen that way? Okay. Hello, Shaila. Hello, Ishita. Pooja. Hello, Amita. Hello, Lucy, Rekha. Good evening, friends. Thank you for joining me. And today I am back again with my new course. It actually took me months to come back to my regular routine of making the classes because I was not keeping well. So I am just trying to get back to my previous routine only. I'm feeling better now, Anuradha. Thank you. So, first of all, let me tell you something about my course that I have designed this course keeping something in my mind, and that is the problems that the freshers they face, how to select the dies, what die to buy, what die to put them in the stash, and it's a huge investment when it comes to die cutting. If you are into die cutting, if you are into scrapbooking or making cards and everything, and then there are lots of companies, lots of brands that are making dies, and it is really very difficult for the people to decide what dye to be purchased, what is your style of what style you want, and if you are into using the lacy dyes, more intricate dyes, then this course is for you. Because now, since I have been working with Amazing Paper Grace, I have seen the versatility of the dyes. It's like mind blowing. The dyes cut brilliantly well. They are very sharp, and they give very crisp cutting, and they are really very versatile, and they can be used in multiple of projects. Not only your cards, you can make the envelopes, you can make your baskets, trays, and many things. I have, when I got this die in my hand, I started with 2 or 3 projects. When I like some die, I try to make 2 or 3 projects with the same die. But this die was something that has really blown me away. I don't know how much, I was like, I can make 10 or 12 projects with this, and I can create some course so that people will enjoy how to use the dies. But actually, when I was making the projects, I never thought I will be able to make that many of projects. I have made around it's nearly 30 projects, right? 28 or 29 projects I have not yet counted, but and about 7 or 8 projects are still under make. And actually, I was like, it's a huge course of mine, and in a very in my same pattern of my classes, the same amount of fee of my classes. And again, I have tried my level best to give the maximum out of one die, because this die is expensive. This is the die that I have used is a from the Spellbinders Club die. It's a die of the month that Becca African has created, and the die is huge. It has flower in that, it has rims in that, different rims, different corners, and it's a huge die. And because Spellbinders is selling these dies, the month of the die of the month is sold only under the Spellbinders Club. What they generally do is they manufacture a limited amount of dies. Once the die is sold, the die is gone. They won't manufacture more dies. So, those who will be joining the course will be given the first preference to book the die, and only on pre-orders, with the bookings. And now let me start how this die is working, how I have created one single die. I have used one single die and created multiple of projects. So let's get started with the projects. And many of you have asked me to how I design my cards. So let me start with the cards. I have not completed my cards, but still I want to show you the cards, just because we always start with the cards, and the main question of making the cards is how you come to know what size of the card you want to make, and how will you be able to like layer the dies. How are you going to layer the dies, how one single die can be used, or how one single die is compatible with the other die. Like if Spellbinders is making the die, they have the compatible dies with them. Like Square Dies is compatible to the Square lacy die also. They have the basics dies, they have the classic dies, and they have the nesting of dies like simple dies. And then these all dies, they get like we can mix and match the dies, and we can create wonders with that. That also will be taught in the class. So starting with my cards, I will show you how I have created simple cards. These I will be showing you only the card bases, because I don't want to I never wanted to hide the card bases, because I will be focusing on the die cutting, so all the cards that I will be showing are done with one single die. Now this is one design, then this is the die again. The background is made with one single die only.
What is the price of the die?
Prices of the die and everything, all the details of the die and the paper used will be given to the registered students, and you can contact Shalini Mittal for that. But because we have the dies, we have the very limited quantity of dies, so they will be given to the students who will be we will be giving the preference to the students who have registered for the class. So everything will be shared. It's a huge die. Then again, coming to the point with the cards, these are the different. Look how different are these cards. The die is again one, but it has different techniques of using the card, making the card backgrounds. Again, this one is the background. I have specially not made I have not completed the card, just because of one reason: the backgrounds were so delicate and so beautiful that I never wanted to hide them with my flowers. I wanted to use I will be using the flowers or some sentiments later, but not now, because I really wanted you to see the backgrounds that I have created. And look at this one. Again, you can create a long strip using the same die. Look at these. These are, I think, 9 cards. I was able to make the 9 cards, but I think I have tons of more ideas, and I think 4 or 5 cards are already incomplete. The backgrounds I was not able to complete the backgrounds. Here I have used one other die. This is again optional. Because I was having this die, so I just wanted to add another something to different, because I was having the die, so I tried to wanted to show you the compatibility of the die, like how this die is compatible to the other one. So I have created this different, like it's all in option, because otherwise also the cards have become they have so much of good intricacy. And since I have used the combination of pinks and golds and white, it is all up to you if you want to create the cards or the boxes in reds and you want to go for the Christmas theme, or if you want to go for the bridal theme or for the baby shower theme. It is all up to you. Once you change the color combination, the theme will be totally changed. Like I can show you what I have done with the golds also in this one. Recently I posted these two cards. Can you open this, Srishti, for me? I forgot to open the packets. I always try to pack my cards like this and then keep it in my display. Look at this card. Now I can show you the same card that I have created in pinks also. Totally the theme get totally the changed. Like if you change the color combination arrangement, or if you don't want to invest that much of time in making flowers and you just want to give this card like this only, you can just put a sentiment and your card is complete. You can put your ribbon bow and your card is complete. Srishti, I can see that the video is little bit hazy. Is it hazy on your end also? No, it's fine. Okay. So you can see how the if the color combination change, the total the theme gets changed. And I can show you this card also. Again, this is in golds, and I have created this in pinks also. So these were few different arrangements, the few different backgrounds that I have created for the cards. And again, I have these type of cards also. If you make the same cards in this color combination, it will totally change the concept. Like you can use that cards with video is blur. Even I can see the blur video. That's the reason that I
change the internet connection.
just give me a second. I can change the internet connection and might be the.
Has changed.
I have Srishti has already changed the internet connection. Hope we have the clear video now. So where was I? I was in between my talks about the changing of the color concept. So I will be teaching you how to make the use the same die, same card, but changing the concept by just simply changing the.
Yep. I have changed the internet
So
connection.
is the girls, is the video clear now? And just check if my voice is audible to everyone. If you people can just simply write the comment or give me a thumbs up so that I can go ahead with the.
Yeah, it's fine now.
It's fine, right? So next, what I have created, Srishti, can you pass me boxes? Okay, I can show you the boxes. What all boxes I have made. Look, this is one. Oops, sorry. This is one box, and this is another one. I have not put anything, any flower or anything, because this can be used as a lantern also. And then this is the another one. Again, it opens like, I can open it and show you. This opens like this. I have only kept one door open. You can keep all the 4 doors open also. It is all up to you. I will be teaching that also. Then this is the baby piece of this one. And the paper that I have used is very, very sturdy.
Are all the dies compatible with Big Shot?
Yes, these can be used in these die. This die can be used very much easily in, not in small Big Shot. Big Shot Plus is the best machine. Big Shot Plus में हो जाएगा, and even you can use platinum also. And I am using my Fisker fuse. I have Fisker fuse also. Cut and boss is also working. You will be, but you need a bigger machine because the die is this big. It's a 7 inches, I think 7 inches die.
Which is the paper used?
The paper used is from Crafter's Corner, and the paper is very, very sturdy. Now I have created this box. Like if I am putting like quarter kg of material in this, anything like dry fruits or chocolates or something, this has a capacity to hold that quantity, that weight. The paper is very sturdy, and I think it's about 300 GSM paper. It's nearly 300 GSM paper.
Compatible with Itsy Bitsy Dream Cut.
I have not used Itsy Dream Cut. Not even I don't even have Itsy Bitsy Dream Cut, so I have no idea how big the platform is. So I won't be able to comment anything about the Dream Cut machine because I have not used. I don't even have, and I don't know the platform, how big the platform is. So I can't, but the machine, if it has a bigger platform, like, because since I think the die is 7 inches, so you can see what is the platform size, and you can check that if it can work. Now this box, it opens like this. It's like not a belly band style,
Dream
but
Cut is nearly 5 inches long.
no, 5 inches machine won't work. This is like this. Right, and then I have this small cute box.
If you can show the idea, then we can get the. If you can show the die, then we can get the idea.
Look, girls, actually it is a matter of learning the techniques about the die cutting. I won't recommend that you have to buy the same die. It is all up to you how you proceed with after learning the course. I will never force my students to buy the same die. It's all up to you. If you want to make the same projects, definitely you are going to buy the same die.
Technique based.
But yes, since this die is expensive and this die is huge, it has so many dies in it. It is one die is like it can create wonders. Sometimes what happens, we buy 4 dies or 5 dies, but they are not they are not that versatile. You are not able to make multiple projects. It's something like that. Like आप 2 बना सकते हो या 4 बना सकते हो, not more than that. Like they are not that much versatile. This die is worth buying. This die is worth buying. I'm sure after looking at all my projects, you will be able to see. I have used one more die here. This is a ribbon die from Spellbinders. It is also designed by Becca Feekan. Again, this is optional because I have not used anywhere for making my backgrounds on the boxes or on my cards. Never. I have not used it in any backgrounds. Just to give a small border line, I have used this die. So it is all up to you. If you want to use any punch, you can use that punch. If you want to use some lace or something, you can use that lace. If you want to use some ribbon, you can use a ribbon also. You can use a strip of pattern paper also. That will also work. If you want to make a little bit of you want to enhance your project. This I have only used for enhancing the project. So again, this is optional. Main thing is I have created all the backgrounds here also. Now this is the what should I say? Locking system of the box. Again with the same die. This lantern has been made with the same die. This box, look at this box, how beautiful this box is. Again with the same die. I have not used here any ribbon die, anything, because it's normally looking very pretty. Again, this is with the same die. All the cards are from the same die. And then I'll show you more boxes. This is from the same die. Look at this thing, how beautiful, how broad if we make we use the die in a way that it makes the bigger boxes also. I can show you one more bigger box. Can you pass me this one, Srishti? Okay, I got it. Look at this box. This is about 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches box, and look at the depth. And again, I have used this die, border die, this ribbon die only on the edges to enhance the box, nothing else, not to create any background for this one. Again, it is all up to you. Even I have used, if you see my cards or my boxes, I have used embossing folder here. So because I wanted something to enhance the box, I just wanted
flowers are also from the same
yes,
set.
the flowers are also from the same set. but not the leaves, but not the leaves. Leaves is from this leaf dye is from Heartfelt Creations, but the flower, this flower is also from the same set, and it creates beautiful flowers. Sisha, can you show me the flower box that I have created? You people have already seen the videos that I have posted. Put the flowers in one plate and then show me the flowers. I can show you the flowers, what flowers this dye can make.
This
Yeah, these pinks one also, and this all the pinks and reds are from the same dye. Put them in a plate or something. Look at this belly band box. Again, this has been created, beautifully created with the same dye. And then I have one shaker box. They are not very close to me. This is one shaker box, if you can see. Again from the same dye. Can you pass me a few projects, Srishti? Look at this elegant basket. Look at the size. And again, if you want this dye to be like this basket to be in a smaller size, I will be teaching you all how to take out the sizes of the baskets, like how to take out the sizes of the boxes also, how to calculate the sizes, how to calculate the height of the box, how to calculate or what should I say? There are many people who don't even know how to read the scale. What is 5/8? What is 1/16 of an inch? What is 1/18 of an inch? The people they are not known. I will be teaching from the basic how to align your die, how to calculate the sizes of that this thing. And one thing I just want to make sure, and I want to tell you all, that I won't be providing you with any kit this time. I will not be providing you with any kit for the course, just because of one reason. I want my students, those who are joining, to learn the techniques of the class. Because if I am doing half of the work, like if I am providing you with the kit, you won't be able to learn. Because if I am providing you the kit, you are not doing anything, because this is not a simple cutting. It is not a simple cutting. It is, so there are so many things involved. Like if you are placing a die in a different way, so you need to calculate the size of the box. You have to take out the size of the box. How to take out the size of the box? So वो कहते हैं ना कि अगर मैंने आधा काम करके दे दिया, सो उसमें आपने कुछ भी किया तो वो असेंबलिंग हो गया. So I don't want my students to do the assembling work and then again get back to me for the new course for the same making of these projects. I want you people to cut the dies yourself and make sure that how to go about to learn more techniques, and how to go about if you have some other die. So how to work with the other dies also. I have many amazing paper grace dies. I will be I will be showing you the dies, and I will be giving you the showing you the samples how to cut the die in a different way. And all that die cutting will be done in front of you in the class only. I will be making you understand how to place the die and how to cut the die. And if we are doing the nesting of work, how we are doing it, like that you can do it with the other this thing also, like use your other dies and make the different cutouts. Now look at the beautiful flowers that this die has made. Put some white flowers also. Can you show me some white flowers? I have made so many of white flowers. Like I have made about 400 of flowers that I have made with the mix of colors. These beautiful flowers will be made with the same die. I have used the calyx for the different from the different die. Again, the calyx can be hand cut also, and there are local dies also which you can be used for the calyx. Any die can be used. Like we can make it with the hand also, but the flower die is again from the same set. There is only one flower die, and two petal flower. It's like mind-blowing flower. If you like, you can see the flower in real, you will say like these are looking like fresh popcorns. I love this die. Okay, what should I show you next? I think I have shown you this basket. This can be created in about the same style can be created in same basket, can be created in another like 4 or 5 ways and different sizes also. that can be made, and I will be showing you how to take out take out the sizes of the baskets also. And I have a beautiful project that I can show you. Sichi, can you pass that photo booklet? ध्यान से लगा तो नहीं? And now I have this photo booklet with a basket. If you want, you can put it with the photo booklet, or you can use it as it is also. It is all up to you. This is the photo booklet that I have put, and if you want, you can put this photo booklet in another box also. Like you can keep it like this and gift it also. And if you want to use this photo booklet like this, then again that's fine. And how this photo booklet works is, it has, you can put the photographs, you can write down your messages here. It has about 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 booklets, like 4, 5. This is such a beautiful piece. Can you see? So lacy, so delicate, and such a beautiful gift you can make with, if you make it with reds, it will be like it can be a wedding gift, it can be a Valentine gift, anything, right? And then what else I have is, I have beautiful envelopes, which is the biggest demand of our Indian craft industry. Everyone is learning different envelopes, how to use your dies for your envelopes also. I can show you that also. Srishti, can you show me the pointers that I have written? I don't want to forget anything. And switch on the AC. Look at these envelopes. These are again from the same die. If you start counting, I think I have 29 or 30 projects, I think. And then there are more projects which are still under make, and I don't know what I will be teaching you extra. Again, those who have already joined my class, they know I have so much more to teach you in my classes. So many things I teach you in my bonus class also. So you never know what I will be coming up with in the bonus. I have no idea. It is how many projects are there? I think I have made 29. I have made 9 cards, and these are, I think, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. I can make 3 more cards or 4 or 5 more envelopes. On the spot, I can do that. And doing the embellishment part is mostly same on all, just because I wanted not to hide the backgrounds that have a beautiful look from the die. I never wanted to hide that part, so that is the reason I have not even embellished my cards also. And I think box and all baskets are about how many pieces? 10? 10 of these along with this booklet?
Yep.
Total of 10?
Almost probably. I didn't count the...
Can you count? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces, my dear. These are 13 pieces. Let me count it in front of you once, so that I should not make the mistake. And I will be definitely teaching you more things. Definitely, we have lots and lots of things in my bonus also. Look, one is this one. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is shaker 1. Then the 5th one. Then the 6th one. Then this one is the 7th. This one is the 8th. This is 9.
10th, 11th.
These two are 10 and 11. 11. And then this belly band one is 12th. And this lantern is again 13th. 13 projects are the 3D projects. And everything from one single die. all the enhancing dyes that I have, the two dyes I have used, you can like the one again. I will make one thing very clear. I have one or two projects where I have like I have combined this dye with this dye. Because unless and until I show you how the dyes, they like, what should I say? They do blend with each other, and they are so perfectly they blend that you can enhance the total you can change the total look of your project. If I put this dye in gold and I totally change the color combination with reds, it will change. So there are, and we all try to buy the main basic shapes like squares, circles, and then so many things. And again, I wanted to try something with the other dyes also to teach you in the bonus, but then I changed my mind. No, I will show you something in bonus with the same dye, because unless and until you know how to use the die in different ways. Again, how many total projects I have created? 13 plus 7 plus 20 ho gaye, and then 29 projects. Cards are 9, already 9. So I don't know how many other projects I will be showing, and all these 29 projects will be taught in 3500 if you make the booking tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 15th or 16th.
Today or tomorrow?
Today is 15th.
Today is 15.
Let them give them the time of 2 days, 16th and 17th.
Okay.
Today the day is already gone. So 16th and 17th, if you book your class, then the class is for 3500, and if you book the class later, the charges will be different. The charges will be 4000 rupees for that. So hurry, if you are interested in joining the class, then the class, you can buy the class in 3500. And you can book your die also, because we have very limited amount of dies. Once the stock of the die is gone, means gone. No, the company won't be able to provide you with the die. They won't be able to serve you the die. So if you people want, you can book your die, and you can definitely book the class also. And we will be giving the preference to the people who will be joining the class. And then I have one more thing to share, that I will be, if you make the shares and share this video with your friends and family to join the class, spread the word about my class, then I will be picking 4 winners, and I will be giving them 25% discount in my class, this class only. And you can buy your class for 25% discount if you make the shares, but the shares should be made in the crafty groups only. Not on the crafty groups, you can share it on your timeline also, but I won't be counting the profiles who will be sharing making the shares on their own timeline with hardly 100 or 200 people as in the friend list, because that doesn't make that doesn't make any sense of making the shares only on your own timeline in multiple times and hundreds of times, because only you are looking at the timeline. Hardly you have the bigger friend list. I want you people to spread the word with the reach. I want to reach more people. So share this video as much as you can, and you can win this class, and you can buy this class for 25% discount. And I will be taking the 4 winners I have already announced. And do we have any other thing to discuss? Yes, I have discussed each and everything now. I have already told them that no kits will be provided. I have already told them. Fee also I have done, and the discount and making sure. Date, yes. I have not decided for the date yet. Not announced for the date. Dates for the classes.
From to 30th.
The class will be completed in 4 days. 4 days, continuous 4 days.
27th August, that is Thursday, till 30th August,
Okay.
that is Sunday.
From 27th August to 30th August. So if you people have any query, you can now. I can Archana Kumari Jhawar, book one die for me. Okay, sure. If you have anything other thing, if you want to ask me about the course, I'm here. I can now actually see your questions. For the price of the die, I think girls, you can ask Shalini Mittal. You can ask Shalini Mittal, but once you have seen the die is huge and this die can't be bought on wholesale rates. This die is expensive, and this die can be sold only from the monthly club only, Spellbinders Club. So we have very limited dies. So can you please book a die? We can book the die only for people who will register the class first, unless and until you have registered. Actually, we will be giving the preference to the people who will be making the registrations first. So once you make the registration, your die can be booked easily. Ma'am, the die cutting platform for Dream Cut is 7.5 into 6 inches. Again, 6 inches. I'm not sure which is the die. It is May month die. It is die of the May die of the month from Becca Feekan. I think I don't remember the proper name of the die. Sichi, can you take out the die from there? I can tell you which die is it. How much is the class in US dollars, Margie?
I'll just calculate.
Yeah, we will be calculating, and we will be making the proper post tomorrow in the morning with all the calculation of how much it will charge you in dollars.
It is
Vani, the course fee is 3,500 if you register by 16th or 17th, means tomorrow or day after tomorrow at 12 a.m. till 12 a.m. On 17th.
16th and 17th.
16th and 17th. Those who will be making the registration on 16th and 17th, the course price is 3,500, and if you else after that, the course price is 4,000. This is the die that I have used. The die, sorry, what she has done, she has put 3 more flowers here. We were working with this die, no? So let me remove this die. This is the die that I have used. It is May die of the month from APG, Amazing Paper Grace. It is Fleur de Lis Grandeur Fold Over die. This is the die that I have used. If you go to my blog, I have already made the post of this card and this card. You will be able to get the photograph of this die also. If you go visit my blog, and if you search for these 2 cards, I think it was in the month of August only.
Ma'am, I've done the payment in your account.
Who?
Ritika.
Okay. Very quick, Ritika. Look at these golden cards. For the first time, I am looking at my cards in the video on my this thing, and the cards are looking gorgeous. Mind blowing. These cards are, I really love this color combination. I will try to do the other color combination also. I can do one thing, I can try making this box or some other box or some other card, and I will be creating one set in different color combination, just to give you people an idea how you can change the color theme, how you can combine your or you can combine your pattern papers also. So with pattern papers also you can make
the kit or without?
No, I won't be providing you with any kit this time, because I want my students to make the die cuts yourself.
Which
because
company is the
it
die?
is not a simple die cut. It is not a simple die cutting. Just cut it and then paste it. It is not a cut and paste method. There are so many things that I have done in the die cutting. Unless and until you cut it yourself, you won't be able to learn the die cutting techniques. So these techniques can be used with many other dyes, many other dyes, and I will definitely be showing you many samples with the other dyes also. I will be showing you how to make a cut with the different other dye, if you nest the dyes and how will it look if you remove this rim, and then how it will look, and how you will be making one fold card and you will be making the multi-fold card, or you can make the multi-layered cards also. If you people want, I can show you my few more cards. If you people are interested, are you people interested, just let me know. If you show me some thumbs up, then I can which brand paper I have used, Saraswati. I don't know the brand of the, I don't know the name of the paper, but this paper is from Crafters Corner. Can you Suchi pass me that paper pack? And for the whole, all these projects, I have used about nearly I think I was left with hardly 2 sheets or 3 sheets, and I have used about 7 paper packs, 7 packets of the paper, and there are 10 papers in one packet. I have used this paper from the Dress My Craft. It's pastel pink textured cardstock. So you can, if those who want to try this paper, you can definitely go to Crafters Corner and buy this paper. It's all up to you. I think, I don't remember the rates. I think the pack was for 300 rupees. I actually don't remember the rates. Still, you can check. It was because if I prepare the kit will be very expensive also, because 6 paper packs or 6 packets or 7 packets have been consumed in all these projects already. So it will be very expensive. The kit will be very expensive, and instead of using this paper, if you want to try it on other paper, it is all up to you, because many of you might be having some other paper, but this paper is definitely a must buy. A must buy means a must buy, and they have, I think, one more color in that is a lemon color. And that is again very beautiful color, very beautiful color. You can change the color combination. If you have any pattern paper which is 280 or 300 GSM thick, you can get the same same sturdy boxes in that also. Because once you are making, you have to be very sure when you are making your boxes, they can hold that much of weight. They should hold that much of amount of the weight of the sweets that you are adding or the gift that you are adding. So they should be very sturdy. These boxes are really very sturdy, very sturdy. And with that, I have used normal iris paper. That is, I think, 270 GSM paper that I use regularly for my cards, regularly for my distressing stamping and everything. So again, this is all with that. Look, girls, I was just thinking, I have avoided using inks this time. Hardly 2 inks I have used. Hardly 2 inks. And that too, the color tones of 2 pinks only. 2 archival inks that I have used in my flowers. That's it. Nothing else. No inking is there. If you want to go for stamping and then make the arrangements, or you want to make the backgrounds, cut your backgrounds in that way, it is again up to you. So I can show you few of my more projects if you want to see anything about the amazing paper grace projects that I have already created. Though you people have already seen them on my blog and on other social media platforms, still I want to show you. I don't know if you people are same question, ma'am. Big Shot Plus must. Yes, I would suggest this dies. Show me that I can check the die size of the die. Just give me a second. I can check the size of the die, and I can tell you what you can buy. Any whatever die cutting machine you have, you just have to check the die, because Amazing Paper Grace and Spellbinders, they have the huge dies. The dies are quite huge, so you need a bigger platform. I think it is nearly 7 inches.
6.5, almost.
Almost, it is almost 6.5. It is almost 6.5 inches.
6.5 only.
It's little. Show me, just I'll calculate.
Little smaller than 6.5.
A little smaller than, it is little smaller than 6.5. But again, if you want to cut it in a different way, sometimes you have to align your paper different way, because there I will be including few techniques where you cut your box first and then you align your dies. You have to make the backgrounds. So that can be done only on the machine which has about more than 6.5 inches or 7 inches platform. Whatever machine you have, just check you are using a die which is 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches, and you might be using some paper that is little bigger, because we will be creating larger height boxes also, and then the smaller boxes also, so you might be needing a little more space on your platform. So make sure that you have a bigger machine which has the platform, because I don't have any knowledge about other other machines that are available in the market. What I am already using, I can tell you about that machines only. And I am using my Platinum, I am using my Fiskars Fuse, I am using my Cut and Bows and my Big Shot Plus, and all these four machines are working for all these dies. And I have no idea about Dream Cut, so I don't even know the size of the platform, so I have no idea how it will work. But definitely it is going very well in the market. It is going very well in the market. So if the die cutting, they have this much of big, like 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches platform they have, obviously you can use the same die also, the same die cutting machine also. So if you girls, if you have little bit of time and you give me some thumbs up and you want to show me, if you
Dream Cut has a platform of
If
7.5 by 6.
if you 7.5 by 6, so we need 6.5. Okay, we can turn the die that way. So you can use that die, I think, die cutting machine. 7.5 is this way, right? 7.5 way. How much broader is the die cutting machine? Like what is
6 inches? You cannot fit in.
You won't be able to fit in this die because this is 6.5 inches. I think the platform, the length of the platform is 7.5.
Yeah.
The length of the platform of Dream Cut is 7.5. I think that I am able to understand. So I don't think a Dream Cut machine will be able to.
I don't have these dies, and neither are these available in any store.
Who said this one?
Piyanki Biswas.
Piyanki, this die will be we have very limited of dies, because this die is sold under only the club, Spellbinders Club, and we can call for very limited dies from. It is a monthly die from Amazing Paper Grace. This is May die of the month from Amazing Paper Grace. These can be specially called for you. But again, on pre-orders, and our preference for serving you will be like will be given to those people who will be joining the course. So unless and until you make the registrations, I don't think you will be given any preference. You can buy the die directly also. I have no idea how many dies Shalini is getting and how many will be picked and how many she will be left with, because these dies company make a very limited quantity of dies and they don't manufacture further these dies. Once the stock is gone, means it's gone. So I have no idea how much stock they will be having when we will be making the next bookings. So it is on first come first serve basis. So girls, if you want, do you want to see my other cards? No, Alka, it won't fit in Dream Cut machine. Donna, yes, you can book your class and you can book the die as well. If those who are making the payments and making those who are registering the class tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 16th and 17th, if you are making the bookings, the course fee is 3,500, and if you make the bookings later, the fee charges is 4,000 rupees. Again, I want to announce that I will not be providing you with any type of kit, not even a single die cut from this thing, because I think I have used about 6 or 7 paper packs I have used. So it is a huge quantity of paper has been used, because the items are too many. So the die cutting will be too much, because the die cutting is only from one single die. So I can't give the production of die cut kits also. And my main focus for my students is to make them learn the die cutting techniques. So my first preference will be
this die or any other die.
Be it this die or any other die. I will be giving you the samples, like I will be showing you how to cut the other dies from the same brand also. But unless and until you cut the dies yourself, you won't be able to learn the techniques. And these techniques, the techniques that I will be teaching in the class, they can be surely be applied on using with the other dies also. So if you don't have budget, or you don't want to make you don't want to buy the same die, or you want to use the dies what you already have in your stash, you can use the techniques and you can create your wonders with the same dies. Sometimes what happens is like we actually get tempted and we just simply buy the dies and we don't even know how to use them. I will be teaching you how to mix and match the dies also. So there are so many techniques that can be used with the other dies also, and that all will be all covered in my course. Again, the color combination, making different color combinations will also be taken. Huh?
More cards.
More
please.
cards, please. More cards, please. Okay, I can. Srishti, can you help me opening these cards? Actually, I showed my cards in one of my video, and someone has left a beautiful comment saying, whenever you take, auntie, whenever you take any class, you just do one thing. In the last, we just want to see all your latest creations in the video. So I really got. Can you open these? Because sometimes the in pictures they don't do justice. Like my kids, they do a beautiful photography. I can't say that they don't do the justice, but look, but watching the cards live is again a treat to the eyes, isn't it? Look at this card I recently posted with amazing paper grace. Can you open more, Srishti? I can pass you. I thought in the last moment I decided to show you the cards. So I have not opened my packets. Look at this one. Look at the dimensions that I have created in the card. I think this way it is nice.
Again, where can we get the golden paper?
Golden paper, I am using the golden paper that is available at Crafters Corner also, and also I do love the paper that is available at with Heartfelt Creations. But it is all up to you, whatever golden paper you want to use. And if you see this card, I can show you how this corner, this big corner, has been created with one small teeny tiny die from Splendid Trilliant die. I think the name of the die is Splendid Trilliant. If I'm not mistaken with the name. This is a very small corner, and how big corner I have created, 4 corners I have created, one again that with the small die. Again, it is all how you make the usage of the one particular die. Again, if you want to, like, this is okay now, like this is correct, right? I can't see the camera. Look at the dimensions that have been created with the die. Can you make little bit of space here, Srishti? There are more cards. Don't sit idle. This is another card. This actually I have already shown you. These cards again, because all these painted images were made by Srishti. Most of all were done by Srishti in her Zig Markers class. I have tried using that only with these are very simple and very elegant cards. I love creating these cards. Look at this card. I have many queries that, ma'am, how much you will sell this card, and I always say, sorry, I can't sell my creations. I can teach you, I can make you expert in making the cards and everything, but I can't sell my cards. I each of my card or any of my creation like that I create, like they really take lots of my time, my hard work, and they are very close to my hearts. I have lots and lots of cards that are sitting in my cupboard, and then lots and lots of my cards that are displayed in my craft room. Can you switch on the AC, please? Open these also. I created this beautiful envelope. Can you see? Again with the die of the month, fanfare die of the month from Amazing Paper Grace. This envelope. You will be learning so many techniques. I will be showing you so many of my cards where I have
So
done
you don't
what.
sell your cards.
No, I don't sell my cards. I can't sell my cards. They are very close to my heart. I don't sell any of my creations. I have a huge lot at my place. If I have to give someone something, I have to create one extra. Like I have to create something, and then only I can give. I especially create for if I have to give someone. Look at this card. Beautiful
Would you be
layering.
covering cards or just the boxes?
No, I showed you 9 of my cards in the video. I think you must have joined me little later when I started the
just check
card.
the video.
You can just go back to this video. I have already shown the backgrounds of 9 different cards with the same die. And I will be covering all that cards. I have not completed that cards because I never wanted to hide the backgrounds, beautiful backgrounds that I have created with the die. So I just wanted to show you how the backgrounds are created. How there is a very simple question. There are students who always say we are able to make the card, but we don't know what size we should make the card. So I never restrict myself with the size of the card because like the basic card is little smaller, like it's 4.75 by I think 5.25 inches of the card. I think that is the base standard size. I might be wrong also, but it's a very tiny small card. So it is all up to you what work you want to do. I work with lots of layers of the dies. I work lots of like what should I say, the floral arrangements also. So unless and until I make the take the size accordingly, like I need little bit of space to enhance the overall look of the project. How to take out the size of the project, that is the main problem. Like people are not able to take out the size of the project, like size of the card. I don't ever restrict myself to the standard size of the project. I never do that. I design my cards according to the way I want. What actually the theme that I have, what I have planned. If I want the floral image to put, if you see, this card is little smaller. This card is little smaller because like I have created the background myself. This is all stamped and ink background. Again, this is the die that I have created. I have created this background with the die cutting only. Again, it is all the demand of my project, the look of the project that I want, that what I have visualized. I will be taking out the size accordingly. And that is what I will be teaching in my class also, how to take out the size. If I have something in my mind, if I want to create some box or some box or envelope or booklet or something, like I have something, I visualize the concept, what actually I want and what will make me happy. So that way I am able to take out the sizes, and that the way I do, I will be able to like share my experience, and I will be teaching you the ways that how I design my cards and how I take out the sizes of my cards. That I will be teaching you all, because sometimes the simple things of taking out the size is again a big problem for the freshers, that they are not able to take out the sizes of the cards. Again, look at this simple design, very simple, like it's like, but it looks so elegant. And this card, I don't know, I should make the videos of all my cards. I don't get the time, but I really love my cards when I show you in my videos, and on the in the video when I see my card, my own cards, they really inspire me to make more. Like I should create more. These are looking wonderful. So once again, this is all for my class. Like this was the things that I wanted to cover: the fee pattern, the time pattern, the date. Everything will be yeah. I will be posting tomorrow in my morning post. Early morning, I will be able to put the banner of my class. If you have any question about the class, still, if you have any question, just drop me a message. You can WhatsApp me, or you can put your question in the comments, and I can reply you as soon as possible. Oops. I especially got these doilies made for my photography. Anna Swishti? I love them. So this was all for my class. Anyone, if you have any question, just let me know.
Going mad.
Going mad? Who said?
Monica Singla.
Don't go mad, because if you go mad, you won't be able to create these beauties. So be crazy and open your stash. What all you can do with your dice. Learn, join the course, try to learn the techniques and apply them with the dice that you already have. You can do that. You can create wonders the way I am doing. Like I won't, I don't sometimes, not sometimes, I actually pat myself sometimes that really, I don't know, sometimes I start with only one or two projects. Like I have two or three ideas in my mind, but when I start making, I can't stop myself making. Like it's like everything comes in a flow. So I have this idea, I have that idea, I can make this one also, I can make this one also. If you people have seen, I use one die into two or three cards. Like if I have to give my blog submissions also, I try to create two or three cards with one single die. I just want to take out the maximum from the same die. If I register myself, do I get the dice also? But I am not in India. You can register for the class. You can buy the die directly from Crafters Corner. Auntie, what is Rini writing? You are too good every time. I feel I have learned everything from you. You come up with such a beautiful, different project. Hats off to you. Thank you, Rini. Hope you are feeling better now, Rini. And what is the price of the die? You can confirm it with the Shalini Mittal. And any other question, girls? Are the stamps from Heartfelt Creations? What stamps, Rupali, you are asking me? Are the stamps from Heartfelt Creations? In my this course, the one I have launched today, I have not even used one single stamp. In other, if you are asking me from this one, like these cards, like I have no idea from where, which one I have used from, which stamp I have used from where. Like this stamp is from Penny Black, and this sentiment stamp is from Amazing Paper Grace, and what any other stamp I have used. This is from Penny Black. If you are asking for this stamp, I don't think I have used any other. I have shown you any other. This I think I don't remember. I think this stamp is from this sentiment stamp.
Sentiments that you've used.
This sentiment stamp is from, I think, Alteneo I have used.
Yes,
I know Alteneo. And these stamps are from, I don't remember. This is from Clearly Besotted. And this is from Bhul Gayi Main. The Stamp Market, I think.
Mm-hmm.
This is from Stamp Market. This is again the same one. And this Magnolia.
Ma'am, I don't have the Big Shot machine. What can I do? Want to join the class?
You can join the class. Who is asking this question? You can,
Vani.
huh?
Vani.
Vani, you can join the class. You can learn the techniques and you can apply the same techniques on the smaller dies also.
It's a technique.
These are, it is totally, the course is totally on tech. It is totally on technique, on techniques. You will be learning lots of techniques, so the techniques can be applied on different dies also. I don't want to say I don't actually recommend my students to buy the same thing what I have used. I want you people to understand, to make sure what you are buying is correct. Like when you are buying, what to buy, how the dice work. Because there was one time when I used to get tempted to each and everything that I see in the market, like because there are so many brands who are selling dice, and I used to get tempted to each and everything, but each and everything is like, it won't suit my pocket. It is nothing, everything is not in my budget. So investing every time is very difficult for a crafter. And so that is the reason I have created this course. Like, it will teach you, you will be able to learn so many things, and you can apply the same techniques to the different dies also what you have already have in your stash. So don't worry, just it is a technique based course, totally technique based course. And rest if you want. Thanks, Shalini, for joining. Shalini, people are asking for the price of the die. I have made everything clear. The die is expensive, and the die is available because we have the limited quantity of dies. The dies will be given to the people who will be registering first. We will be giving the preference to the students who will be registering first, like those who will be joining tomorrow, like those who are registering the class tomorrow and day after tomorrow, like 16th and 17th. If you are confirming for the class fee is 3,500, and if you are confirming the class later, then the course fee is 4,000. And we have very limited dies, and since this die is a May die of the May die of APG, it is a die of a month, May, and it is sold only under Spellbinders Club, and they manufacture only a limited quantity of dies. So once the die is gone, means it's gone. Like once the quantity is over, they won't manufacture more. So book your class fast, book your die fast. Though the die is very, myself saying it's expensive, but it's worth buying. It's worth buying. I have shown you 29 elaborated projects using the same die. 29 projects for the same die is not easy to make. Same color combination I have made. I have not changed my mind in changing like into like go into some other world and using my pattern papers or something. I have used same color combination, I have used same paper, I have used same die, and created 29 projects, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 10, not 15. I have created 29 projects, and I have lots more which are already incomplete, that I will be if I will be able to I will be able to complete them before my class. I will be teaching those also, and I have few more things that I will be showing you in the class that you will be learning. Like, I will be showing you not with the same die, I will be showing you the techniques done with the other dies also, with the same brand, because this course is with the Amazing Paper dies, Amazing Paper Grace dies. So definitely I will be using the Amazing Paper Grace dies only. Like, I will be showing you how you can blend your one die with the other die also, and how you can mix and match two dies to create the same backgrounds. It is not up to this thing that you have to make the same, you have to buy the same die, but this die is really worth buying. Trust me, girls, it is worth, it's worth buying this die. And again, if I can create 29, I can create 29 more. So instead of like investing your money in 10 different dies and then sitting idle, how to use this and how to use that, why not work with one single die if you are getting the fruitful results? If you are getting that much of satisfaction what a crafter should get when they are making. Like I don't have words like about this dye. It's a worth buy dye. And projects I have already shown you, and I have already told you the paper is from Crafters Corner. It is pink pastel, I think I have told, and it is
Yeah,
a very sturdy
pinkish.
paper. And again, if you those who don't want to join the class, that's fine. But if you want to work with this paper, you can go and try with the paper.
You can create 100 projects with one die.
Who said?
Archana Kumari Jha.
We know that you can create 100 projects. Yes, definitely, Archana. I can create 100 projects out of this die, and definitely if you are into so much into crafting, if we both sit together, I think we can create 200 projects. So that's all for my new class launch. It's pink pastel cardstock. Yes, Shalini, it's pink pastel cardstock. I have shown them the paper and the pack of the paper. Those who don't want to join the class, that's fine. But you can definitely try this paper. This paper is really very beautiful paper. It is a textured paper and it's a very sturdy paper. You don't have to put so many of you don't to make the cut. What should I say? To get the proper crispiness of the die cutting. This paper is for you if you want the crispiness of the dies, and if you want the sturdiness of the boxes and all, this paper is again the must. And the texture is beautiful. Beautiful means it's really elegant, and that I have already shown you in my
discounts for the class.
Any lockdown for discounts for the class is that in discounts I am teaching you 29 plus projects. I have written only 25 projects. I have not told anything like about I will be teaching you more than these. So 29 in 3,500 rupees. I think how much is they are like it's like in average
3,500 for those who will be paying.
Yeah,
tomorrow or
3,500.
day
Yeah.
after.
Agar if I say ki my class fee is 4,000 rupees, and if you calculate 30 projects in 4,000 rupees, it's nearly about
120.
120 or 130 rupees for one project.
Even lesser than that.
So just calculate. This is a lockdown discount only. I think no one will be able to teach you these many projects, like 30 projects, and that too all elaborated projects, not small projects. These are all elaborated projects. So this is all in my discount. So girls, for now I think I should say bye-bye to you all. And let's join the class. See you all in the class. I think the class date I have already announced, 27th August till
27 to 30th.
30th August. 27,
29th and 30th.
yeah, 27,
From
28.
Thursday to Sunday.
Thursday to Sunday means 4 classes. 4 days I will be taking the class, and the class will be for 3 hours.
Each.
Yeah, 3 hours each. Yes, Shalini, my hands have become really very thin. If you see, if I wish I could have shown you my face. My face has become very thin, and I don't know. Sometimes I look at my face in the mirror and I say someone has slapped me here also and here also, because my cheeks have all gone inside. Like now, I can see my cheekbones, my collarbones now. It's about nearly 38 kgs down.
Even I noticed. I thought it's Srishti's.
No, these are not Srishti's
My
hands.
hands
These
are slimmer.
yeah. If you see anything without rings and without any manicured hands, then these hands will be mine. I hardly manicure my hands.
I thought it was Srishti's hands.
No,
Lol.
no, Archana, these are my hands. This is the best compliment that I have got. Like, someone has told me, ki, Rajni ma'am, your hands are looking swelled up in some video. Yes, I was myself a huge body. I was carrying a huge body, and I was not only my hands, my whole body was swelled up. I have reduced 38 kgs in 1 year. And I think that's that's excellent that I have done. चलो मिलते हैं क्लास में अब. So let's catch up all you in the class. So be fast if you want to get that 500 rupees discount. That is the lockdown discount, I should say. So bye bye for now.